Hello my friends, in this video I'm talking about the Ecomi price change occur and what is the next move of Ecomi. As you know that the Ecomi is continuously fast down every hour by hour, minute by minute, day by day. The Ecomi in the price is going down minute by minute, hour by hour. What's going in this time the Ecomi? In this video I will show you friends, and in this video I'm talking about the biggest mistake of the Ecomi holders. Please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. Anyways friends, if we look the current price of the Ecomi coin, so now the current price of the Ecomi as 0.004022 USD dollar is the current price of the Ecomi coin. And friends, if we look the price change occur in the Ecomi coin, so the last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 day price change is also negative, and last 1 day price change is also negative. Friends, the whole changes occur in the Ecomi as going down minute by minute, hour by hour. The price is going down. What's the reason behind that and why they are fast down friends? Let's check it out the last 1 month price. As you can see here, the Ecomi is fast down from the previous last whole 1 month friends. Negative 50.57% negative change occur in the Ecomi coin in the last 1 month, and the highest price is 0.008285 USD dollar is the highest price of the Ecomi coin friends. Absolutely, now at this time the price is very barely fast down friends. So now at this time also a holder is doing a big mistake. As you can see here, I know at this time the price is fast down friends. Let's suppose for example if you are a holder of at this time the Ecomi coin, and there you decide to sell Ecomi at this time friends. So absolutely you are in the loss because the price change is negative, so you are in the loss friends. Don't do this mistake at this time friends. It's time to hold Ecomi coin. I think that after some passage of time, they again start pumping and they will give you good amount of profit. Again the price since occur in the Ecomi coin has become positive, and the price of the Ecomi coin is high. So I hope that at this time they will give you good amount of profit. If you decide to sell Ecomi coin at this time, so absolutely you are in the loss. Don't do this mistake and don't sell at this time. My personal advice for all of you is that please hold it this time please. Anyways, what's your prediction and what's your opinion about Ecomi? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.